Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I thought I'm gonna do a little Zara try on with my all-time favorite dresses. Some of them are new, like this one. Some of them are older, but yeah, so let's get started. This cream color dress is my absolute favorite piece at the moment and I can't wait to wear it out in spring and summer, especially with this beautiful little Chanel Camellia flower clutch. If you haven't seen my unboxing and review of this beautiful bag, please go and check that one out. And yeah, I think I've said it several times before, this little clutch really reminds me of like a tiny little baby version of the current Bottega Veneta pouch clutch. So yeah, I'm really in love with this, and especially with this combination of the beautiful white cream color dress with this beautiful dusty rose pink of the clutch. It just goes so well together and I'm really in love with this beautiful outfit. Next up is this beautiful Zara blouse, and especially in combination with my Chanel Gabrielle bag, I think this combination makes the perfect outfit no matter if you're going to the office or if you're just out and about walking around in the city. I think, yeah, I've definitely fallen for this one. And look at the beautiful texture of my bag. I still think it looks like an old painting. Next up is this Chanel lookalike suit. I saw it one day in Zara and I've immediately fallen in love with it. I had to pick it up there and then. I did pair this outfit with my beautiful large Lady Dior and the Royal Python, and this one is a very big favorite of mine. It holds a very special place in my heart. And just look how beautiful the gold-plated stripe in the middle of the bag goes with the golden buttons of the jacket, as well as the golden jewelry I picked for this outfit. Here's a close-up of the bag and I just think it's an artwork by itself. I've always loved this one. This beautiful bag does come with the shoulder strap as well, and it gives the outfit a little bit more of a casual look, a little bit more of an office vibe, and yeah, I think it is a very comfortable way of wearing your large Lady Dior. I'm actually a bigger fan of the old Dior straps, the non-adjustable ones, because I think they do have a better length. What do you guys think of this outfit? It reminds me a lot of the Dior look. It could definitely be something that you find at Dior, and I didn't know with which bag to pair this outfit with. Do you prefer the Lady Dior in the medium size in black lambskin with gold hardware? I mean, it does definitely look like a Dior outfit right now. Or would you prefer the Louis Vuitton Cannes bag? I think color-wise, both bags are absolutely fantastic and go really well with this outfit. So yeah, I could actually not make a decision in this case. Usually I would always know immediately which bag to pick for a certain outfit. And yeah guys, let me know in the comment section down below which bag you would actually prefer with this outfit. That would be really great to know. The Cannes bag is a really beautiful bag. However, it can get impractical at times because you have to really put a lot of effort in every time you want to open the bag up. However, I think the look of the bag makes up for it entirely. It is such a stunner, it's such a beauty, and definitely one of my favorites. The Lady Dior is a classic. It was first brought out in 1994 and it was made for Lady Diana, that's where it got its name from, and I got mine vintage, pre-loved as well, and mine is actually from 1996, so that was the first year that the bag was actually produced with little golden feet at the bottom, and I'm really happy that I do have a vintage model that does come with feet. And as you can see, it does come with a shoulder strap as well, which makes it a really practical bag, and you can just swing it over your shoulder and you're good to go. This one is a very special outfit. It does remind me of Chanel as well. I mean, everything tweed probably always reminds me of Chanel. That's why I always like to go for those outfits if Zara comes out with them. But yeah, if you've been following my channel, you do know that I'm a sucker for all shades of pink and purple. I do love both colors. I think you can actually mix purples with pinks. And yeah, so as you can see, I did pair this outfit with my beautiful Louis Vuitton Pasadena bag. This one is in the vernis leather in the magenta color. And I think over the past couple of seasons, everybody goes crazy for the Houndstooth pattern, and I can understand why. I've fallen for it as well. I absolutely love this jacket, and I paired it up with my beautiful Louis Vuitton Victoire. This one is in the black leather, and it's a really, really nice, comfortable bag. I do love taking this one out. It can hold everything I need. It can hold more than your essentials, and yeah, I'm a big, big fan. This bag is the newest addition to my collection. If you haven't seen my unboxing video yet, please go and check that one out. This beauty is a vintage bag from 1997, so it's 23 years old. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join our little bag family here, and I see you guys very, very soon. Bye!